welcome back for another vlog. So right now Destiny and I are on our way to go get our nails done. So do you know what colors you want, baby girl? It's her first time ever getting her nails done. Daddy said
purple and teal.
Purple and teal?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so my husband said y'all go get y'all nails done. Take your daughter with you. Because we're leaving for Florida Friday. We're gonna go visit my brothers, and we're just gonna stay there for the weekend and then come back that Sunday night. So that's what we'll do. So we'll pack today because today's my husband's day off. So I'm taking full advantage of that because normally I'm the one who packs for everybody. Except for my husband, he packs his own stuff, but
So
we only need one luggage.
And so I can use my luggage.
No, baby, we're gonna put your clothes in with everyone's. It's just we only need one luggage because we're not gonna be there long. We're only gonna be there like 2 days.
I don't like black.
Well, it doesn't matter if you like black, Destiny. It's just a luggage to put your clothes in.
Okay.
So we will be doing that today. I also have some wreath orders, you guys. I didn't go to sleep last night till midnight, making orders, and then I made myself finally a wreath for my door. Because most of the time I'll go ahead and buy a wreath from somewhere else because I don't have time to make my own wreath because I'm making everyone else's wreath. So this time I made my own. So once I get back to the house, I'll show you guys what that looks like.
Spying on them. Sorry, y'all, for weird.
Huh?
I was doing this.
All right, so you're gonna get your feet done, girl, and you'll get your hands done. They're just gonna paint your nails, cut your nails, paint them and stuff.
But this one's already cut.
Yeah, she hurt her finger. Y'all, I have so many little cuts in my hands from making wreaths. So I have 2 more to do. I was supposed to do another one yesterday, but the ribbon never came. Amazon said it was gonna come. It never came. I'm praying to God it comes today. So like that, I kind of scheduled out my week so like that I could get everything done. I pray that I get to film a cleaning video tomorrow and edit it all on the same day so I can have that ready for Sunday. Vlog for you guys today, and also repot that plant. I mean, that stuff been sitting in my living room for over a month now, and I never got the chance to do it. So I'm praying I could get that done today. What else I gotta do? I know I gotta do some more stuff, y'all. I just don't know what. I wrote it all down because if not, my brain would be mush right now. But the boys are at the house with Daddy. You got to leave the boys, Destiny? You are? You don't miss them? Huh?
Nope.
You don't miss your brothers?
Not really.
Ah, that's okay. That's okay. It's great to have girl time.
Yeah.
So, gotta do that today. Oh, I also have to go to Hobby Lobby and get more supplies. That's another thing. See how I forgot that too? I feel like I go to Hobby Lobby at least 2-3 times a week, not to buy decor or anything, but to get supplies. Yesterday, I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. We went to Joann's as well because Joann's had the flowers, buy one, get one free. So that was good. What else? So Hobby Lobby today. And hopefully that should be it. Maybe Dollar Tree. We will see, but I don't have that kind of time for all this extra stuff. We will see, y'all.
I see a green car.
You see a green car? It's like a little bug car, like a little Mini Cooper. They're cute.
This is where it is?
Yep. By the
Got nails on?
Yep, we pass it all the time, don't we?
Yeah.
So we are here. We're just a few minutes early, so they haven't even opened yet. So we just gotta sit here and wait. You got your mask on already, friend? I got these disposable masks from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see it. I love them. I love them. I like the disposable ones because you can pinch them at the nose. Because if not, my glasses fog up and I can't see nothing. But these, I bought the all black ones, and then they have these, and then Amazon also has a tie-dye one, which I'm gonna order. But I use a lot of I use the Old Navy mask, the ones that you could just wash all the time, And then I use also these. If I know I'm gonna wear it for a long period of time, I really like these. Like, this is so cute. And then this one I got from Gap. They had them on sale for like a 5-pack for $5. The Disney Minnie Mouse. Girl, you good? All I see is glasses and masks. So now we gotta sit here and wait.
What time do they open?
They open at 10. It's like 9:42. But she was ready to go, so we just left. All right, y'all, so we are back from getting our nails done. Y'all could tell that Destiny picked my nail color. I know you guys can see. It's like a limeish gray, yellow color with some design. And I got the same thing on my feet. You want to show me your nails, mama? Yeah, get close to it. Did you see? Okay. She got little butterflies and stuff on it, and she got the same color on her feet, like a hot pink. I love it. So let's go home. You ready?
Yeah.
Y'all, I ain't forget about y'all. I came home and got comfortable, put my leggings on because I had some shorts. So this is the wreath that I made for my front door. So this is what it looks like. It has like a darker lavender in there and the lighter color. I decided to add some lemons with some like frosted, like some lamb's ear, but also like the frosted eucalyptus. So this is what it looks like. This is one for my front door. Hey y'all, so we got the family in the car. We're getting ready to head off to Hobby Lobby. I have a specific wreath that I need to make in mind. I just like when people let me make it off of, they send me a picture of what they want, but like give me creative, you know, freedom, if that makes sense. Similar to what they like, but I get to do it my own way. That's the best ones. So that's what we're getting ready to do, so I can get some more supplies and I can come home and start working again. Some flowers. These are the ones that I got for another wreath. Some lavender, some cotton, and some lamb's ear. I got all the ones they had, and pretty much make your own dollhouse and paint it. They also have the furniture. Destiny loves looking at them.
I like that one and that one.
Yeah, these
and
two.
This one.
I know.
But this one is the hugest.
The hugest? Is it that even a word?
Yeah.
This is the type of stuff the boys are looking at.
Yeah. Mom got parachutes on it.
So is this what they want?
I mean, we'll try it.
Yeah.
You doing crossword puzzle?
Yeah. I don't know where any more words are.
Home. I have 2 packages, 2 wreaths, and some rolling pins to mail out now. My husband's getting ready to do that. I'm about to work on some wreaths. We were gonna pack today, you guys, but we can't. I have to do laundry. My husband's waiting for some t-shirts to come in because he's gonna wear them to Florida, and I'm waiting on a dressing that's coming tomorrow. They're bringing me their laundry, so I gotta wash clothes to make sure they got what they need, and Lord help me. So, you did your job? Okay, I got 2 more wreaths to do. Starting laundry. Devin brought me his laundry first, so he gets his done first. Yours gets done first. I gotta tell y'all that I finally started Bridgerton. I kept hearing things about it, but I never got a chance to watch it because I'm pretty busy, you guys. And so I was making wreaths yesterday, and I watched 7 episodes. Now I'm in the middle of episode 8, which is I think the last one. It is a long one, so I'm about to finish it. It's like 32 minutes left of that episode, so I'll just do that while I'm making the wreath. But so far it's really good. I like it. But I heard Mr. Hastings, or the Duke of Hastings, whatever, he's not gonna be in season 2, so which is sad. All right, y'all, I'm tired, but I just finished making 2 wreaths. I'm also doing laundry. I was gonna repot the plant, but we're gonna do that tomorrow morning. But I'm tired. So, but let me show you the last one I just did. The last one I just did. So this one is on the wood vine, and it has like the little small dark colors of lavender and the lighter color of lavender with some cotton stems and lamb's ear. So this is also shipping out tomorrow. Hey guys, now it's the next day. So let me tell y'all, I finished pretty late last night. And I was talking to my husband, and I'm like, I was writing down the things, everything that I need to do today, like packing, getting the house straight. Also, I got more orders. I'm trying to get those done before we leave. I only got today and tomorrow to get that done. And then we leave Friday, right? I'm kind of overwhelmed a little bit here. So I told my husband that I might not even post a cleaning video for this Sunday. And I'll just catch back up once we get back instead, because there's just no way I could spend the whole day just filming a cleaning video and then everything else doesn't get done. So I'm just gonna have to skip this Sunday, you guys. So if you follow me over on my cleaning channel, you guys, if you haven't watched the past few videos, all you gotta do is just catch up, you know? But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So while we in Florida, I'm gonna vlog. I'm just not gonna vlog the whole trip, you guys, because I am gonna be with family. I don't wanna have a camera the entire time. I wanna be able to enjoy myself. But I am vlogging a little. So hopefully you guys should have that video ready for Monday. So I am also gonna get a lot of cleaning done, because when I go on a trip, I like to come home to a clean house. I just move faster without a tripod in my way. So I'm gonna do that today. Get bathrooms clean. I gotta fold Destiny's clothes today. My husband right now, my sweet husband, I love this man. He's at Hobby Lobby running that errand for me because I need some more supplies so I could make a wreath tonight. And then hopefully have that shipped out tomorrow. So I had to take pictures of stuff that I need, and then he'll FaceTime me if he can't find something. But he's doing that, so he got to go to work today as well. So y'all, we busy around here, but we gonna get it done some way or another. Devin just told me that his tri-ups that he keeps in his room died, so he's getting ready to flush it down the toilet. Luckily, he has more seeds, so once we get back from Florida, we're gonna do the whole process over again. But the poor little thing died. He looked kind of sad. All right, y'all, so I took out Destiny's clothes for Florida. Her clothes that she's gonna wear Friday. It's set to the side. We kind of have a mess going on here because I couldn't find any of her summer clothes because all her winter clothes were there. So I ended up taking all her winter shirts down, take them all, like all the long sleeves, because it's hot here, y'all. It's in the 80s, so I left her short sleeve shirts. Her long pants is in that drawer. All her shorts is gonna be in this one. Destiny, come grab this and put it over there, so that cubby is gonna be full of shorts. I took all her winter clothes, put them all, well, these like her dresses and stuff, and hoodies. They're all to the side of the closet where I don't see it. And then once she's finished school, I'm gonna take this cubby system down and she'll have more space. So all of this is like her summer dresses and stuff that I just got out of the container for last year. Some of them are newer stuff for this year that I've been collecting throughout the year and catching clearance sales, but I think I'm done. It started off with me trying to pack and couldn't find anything, to organizing, and y'all see how it is. She's so helpful, y'all. She's so helpful. All right, y'all, I'm feeling accomplished. So I got Destiny's clothes to the side, Devin's clothes, some swimming stuff in here. I had to help the boys, you guys. They still can't like pick their stuff the way I like it. And then there's David's clothes. He's gonna go get his underwear, and then I'm done with the kids, and then me and my husband gonna pick out our clothes, but he's getting ready to leave to go to work. Y'all, so I just finished cleaning the upstairs bathroom. I'm moving fast, y'all. So I'm gathering up all the Easter stuff, which is crazy because I didn't put that much stuff out, but when you put it all together on the table, it looks like it's a lot. So I just took everything off of the tier tray, but I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna add some more stuff for spring because I haven't bought anything for the tier tray. So I'm gonna see what I have first to, let me see what I got in here. I know I got a bunch of junk in here and stuff, vacuum stuff. This is trash. This is trash. Hold on. I'm gonna be decluttering while you guys are here. No, I'm just kidding. I got this from Dollar Tree one time. Maybe I could put it in here. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna try to make it springy with plants and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys what I come up with. Y'all, so I've been moving like crazy, but the tier tray is finally finished. I had to have my friend Shanti help me with the tier tray, you guys. I was struggling because I didn't know exactly where to situate it, and I felt like I didn't have enough stuff. So she helped me situate the things where it needed to be, like on level. So I like it now. It came out pretty good. Easter decor is all in this one bin. So my husband, once he gets home, he's home tomorrow, at least the morning part anyway. He'll take this to our closet upstairs. And in the living room, I'm about to clean that up. So tonight for dinner, we're having a nice gourmet style meal of sandwiches and chips. It is what it is. They will be fed. And that's what we're having, y'all. All fancy and everything with some chips on the side or something. Cause I ain't got time to be cooking.
Yay, sandwiches and chips.
That makes you happy? But see, kids are so simple. We try to make it all extra and stuff, but they actually would prefer that kind of meal every day, but let them. What do you think of this gourmet meal I just made you?
It's good.
I know you like that type of meal. What you think, David?
I'm okay with it.
You're okay with it? Well, thank you, sir. There's also those grapes. Those grapes are super sweet. Let me know. I know. So I'm gonna get flowers once we get back, because right now they're starting to die, but it's been like 2 weeks since I've had them. They're doing pretty good though. All right, y'all, so both wreaths, I just finished both of these wreaths. I cleaned up the kitchen. I ordered this purse from Amazon. I wanted another cross-shoulder purse, but hold on, let me put the light on in here, y'all. So basically, I wanted to get a cross-shoulder purse that was not too big, but also not too small. So big enough to put my wallet, some disinfectant sprays and stuff like that, my keys. And this was $17 on Amazon, and they come in all sorts of colors. So I might order another color as well, but it just came in today. So my kitchen is clean. I just finished mopping the floor. I'm gonna finish up tomorrow. I even cleaned the half bathroom and everything. So what I'm gonna do is just pack up my clothes now. I'm gonna take a little break, pack up my clothes, and then edit this video so like that you guys have this vlog ready for you all to watch tomorrow. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.